Good morning, everybody. Ed Ballou here in my backyard in Sugar Grove, Illinois, the home of the 2009 Green Community Makeover Movement. I don't know if you remember that event, but we had hundreds of contractors coming in from around the country to make this community more sustainable. We did permeable pavements, we did rainwater capture systems all over the place with fountain rocks and decorative urns and things like that. The whole idea of this project was to come in, make the community more sustainable, and open everybody's eyes about the possibility of becoming more green in their backyards. Here we are at the location of our advanced build. So this was done before we invaded the rest of the neighborhood, just because of the scale of this project. We have a 1,000-gallon reservoir underneath this main waterfall, and we have this beautiful long stream and pond system that stretches over 75 feet from this location all the way to the top of that waterfall. Now, what I really want to point out on this particular project is not only the water quality, but the things that Jeff and Amy have added to this project. They've fully landscaped everything, they've redone the patios, they've put in these patio bowls all over the place. And then even in the front of the yard, they did their own stacked slate urn after the event. So that's just what happens when you come in and you start somebody out with a little bit of water in their backyard, or in this case, they started with a lot and then added all that little stuff. But that's just the way it works. Once people see what it's like to have that water element in their lifestyle, they want more of it. Here we are at Steve and Bonnie Johnson's house. This was a huge project as well. This one we're capturing over 3,000 gallons of water. We've got 75% of the water coming off of the roof going through this reservoir. What we have here is a large stream and waterfall. The challenge we had with this particular project is the slope. The slope, as you can tell, is going away from the home. We wanted to make sure that the viewpoint is going to be visible from this deck, which is where they spend the majority of their time. So we had to take all the soil from that large reservoir, regrade everything, and even bring in extra soil to get that waterfall facing towards the main area. The other beautiful thing about that is it creates that beautiful echo chamber. All that lush plant material behind it just forces all that sound right here to the back of the house. So all that water is captured and reused for irrigation right here on this property. Here we are at Art and Ona's house. A lot of you are not going to remember this feature, and it's because it really wasn't here. I shouldn't say that, because that fountain was originally here. The original project was a rain exchange system all the way in the far back corner with the two girls holding the umbrella with the water kind of coming off of the top. Well, that has totally been transformed into this spectacular aquatic paradise in their backyard. I mean, this is just unbelievable. You just have to check this stuff out. We have this massive water feature. We have over 9,000 gallons of water in this system complete. As you can see over in that back corner, we have a negative edge system which falls down into a 3,000 gallon rain exchange system down closer towards the edge of the pond. The entire backyard area has totally been renovated, brand new patio, a large fireplace, and unbelievable landscaping throughout. It's a spectacular project, definitely worth looking at. Overall, the Green Community Makeover was a huge success, and I want to personally thank everyone that was involved in making it happen. I hope you've enjoyed this aquascape project showcase. We'll see you next time.